Thank you. Wow, perfectly crisp.
Save me a link, big fella.
Alright, picture this. You're not just watching a burger being made at McDonald's, you're right there on the assembly line, and guess who's flipping those patties? Bigfoot. Yeah, that Bigfoot. Don't ask how he got the job, I'm just here to show you what he's up to. So, the buns come sliding down. Bigfoot's giant hairy hands carefully grab the bottom bun. You'd think he'd squish it, but nah. He's surprisingly gentle. Next up, the meat patty. He plops it down, and honestly, the sizzle is music to my ears. As the cheese lands, it melts just right. Bigfoot's got this down to a science. Suddenly, speaker one, a British manager, leans over. In a polite, crisp British accent, Bigfoot, let's not forget the pickles. Bigfoot lets out a low grunt, then places not one, but pickles on the burger. A true craftsman. Here comes speaker two, the Southern fry cook. In a warm Southern drawl. Hey big fella, don't forget the secret sauce. Bigfoot grabs the sauce bottle, giant hands, tiny bottle. It's a sight, and with a little squeeze, boom, perfect swirl. Now, all the toppings, lettuce, onions, tomato, go on in a flurry. Bigfoot's fingers are a blur, but every topping lands perfectly. He's got burger assembly down to an art form, folks, and as the crown bun lands on top, you can see a little look of pride in his eyes. So next time you bite into a McDonald's burger, just imagine, maybe, just maybe, Bigfoot had a hand in making it. Who knew myth and lunch could be such a tasty combo?